Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're a bread lover like me, this video is for you. Today let's bake authentic Ghana tea bread. Before anything, let's activate our yeast. So we can do this by adding warm water to yeast and sugar. You mix everything, then you set it aside for about 15 minutes.
On the table, soup on the side. Everybody hungry when I'm arrived. Give me one more plate. You're cooking too sweet.
In another bowl, let's add all our dry ingredients. So go ahead and go in with all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour if you want. Some sugar, nutmeg, and salt. Mix everything together.
She dey post time for YouTube. Step by step.
So you're going to mix the dry ingredients with the yeast.
In the morning, chicken stew by evening. If love get flavor, now your food be the meaning. People they subscribe.
We'll go ahead and add warm milk bit by bit until the dough is soft.
Give me one more plate. You're cooking too sweet. I know if you wait. Mix the spices, make the pot sing. Everybody dancing while the spoon they swing. Turn the heat up, stir I'm slow. Secret recipe nobody know. Kitchen vibes and happiness. I'm a mommy, you are the best. Oh.
At this point, we add our butter. You don't need to use too much. A little bit is fine. Then we knead the dough. I'm using a stand mixer to knead the dough, but if you don't have this, you can also use your hand to knead it.
The way you dey cook it, they steal my soul. From local vibes to continental, every bite make we lose control. When you enter kitchen.
After kneading, set this aside in a warm place. Let it sit for some time. We're expecting the dough to rise. After this is what we have. You beat the air out of the dough, then we knead it again. So I divided my dough into two. Use the part for medium-sized loaf and the other for sandwich bread. Today's appreciation post goes to Blessed Favored Fafa and Mutsfa Ibrahim. Thank you for always watching my videos and engaging on my posts.
Watch in the morning, chicken stew by evening. If love get flavor, now your food be the meaning. People they subscribe, every day the views increasing. I'm a mommy, give me one more plate. You're cooking too sweet, I know if you wait. Mix the spices, make the pot sing. Everybody dancing while the spoon they swing. Turn the heat up, stir I'm slow. Secret recipe nobody know. Kitchen vibes and happiness. I'm a mommy, you are the best. Oh, I'm a mommy. Everybody sing your name. Good food and good vibe. You deserve all the fame. I'm a mommy, oh. Chef with the golden hand. From local to continental.
After patting into your desired shape, you set it aside for about an hour again for the dough to rise. After an hour, this is how it turned out. I'm going to bake this for 10 minutes. And guys, after 10 minutes, this is what we have. I paired this with cold chocolate drink later. Tell me in the comment section if you're gonna try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!